diagram on your sheet of paper without giving it any thought. Turn these shapes into pictures. Now label each picture. I'm gonna do that right now.
Alright, we'll do that right now.
Fine. Do you want to do it?
No, I'm trying to go to sleep.
I'm gonna go.
Okay, go do your personality test and I'll tell you it's all wrong.
I'll be right back. I can't. Okay, I'm gonna make this one into a pumpkin. It's gonna be a kitty pumpkin. Oh, look at the kitty pumpkin. It's so cute. Look at my kitty pumpkin. It's gonna be like a hula hoop. And it looks like a shoe. This is going to be a necklace. That's fun. Oh, it's inside. Okay, that can be a doll. Or a pony. Yes, it can be a mask instead. That's a huge mask. This can be seashells. Oh, I can be dollar. Where's those things? $10. This can be... Here's mine.
Did you label them?
Yeah. Wolf, pumpkin, necklace, hula hoop, $1. What's yours?
Funny earring person. Big baby head. Flower parade with balloons.
Oh, flower parade.
I didn't. That's just self-explanatory. Wait, let me see this.
Here, that's your wolf.
Alright.
$10.
Oh, that's neat. It's a mask.
Yeah. The necklace.
Where's your $10? Oh, yeah. Oh, I thought those were eyeballs.
No.
Yeah, the $10. And I think they have, like, dots or something around. I'm not quite sure. No, that's right.
There.
Yeah.
Dots.
That's a good one, $10.
And then a hula hoop. Because I do
Oh.
I drew the hula hoop, but it looks like seashells. No, I'm going to do these seashells. And then $10.
I like your pumpkin face. And cross necklace. I like it.
Down to the side.
Bella's eyes.
Okay, let's see what it all means.
Oh, how would they get it to you? A flower parade with balloons. I bet you that's second on the list.
Okay, the two small circles is how you see yourself.
Funny earring person. That's a good one. I do have funny earrings.
Which one was mine?
Oh, I have it.
Oh, wolf.
Yeah, the wolf. Yeah, that's true.
Okay. Two large circles is how others see.
Big baby head. $10. Hey, you get good ones. How come I get a big baby head?
Okay. So, two triangles is childhood or / adolescence. What is that?
I can't see it.
Adolescence.
That is the earrings. So what is it? That's my childhood is earrings? And I see myself as an adult as a funny earring person? That's interesting. You were pumpkin with Bella eyes.
Single heart circle is your romantic life.
It's a part of the big baby head.
Hula hoop.
Yours is Alright, what's the cross?
Cross is your future.
Alright, that's probably the best one I've gotten so far. It's just a normal person with Mickey Mouse hands. And a cross necklace, so that's nice.
Okay. Two crosses
Yeah.
is death.
It's death?
Death.
I'm gonna die in a flower parade with balloons. And you're gonna die with a mask on.
Okay. That's wonderful.
Okay. So that's what.
That's okay. So I think that's. Do you want to do another one?
No, I don't want to do that one.
Mitch gave me this, and then they go. And so yeah, I think I'm gonna do. So with that, Packmates, remember, be you, be true, and be free. Ow!